everyone, welcome back to Vital Healing. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Dr. Candida Schwartz. I am a naturopathic doctor as well as an intuitive healer. For today's episode, I'm so excited for this episode. I'm so excited to share this recipe. Really simple, super fun way to eat your medicine, to use food as medicine. And so today we are going to be talking about gelatin. And just real quick, I'm going to talk about gelatin versus collagen. They're getting a lot of press they're getting a lot of press right now. And so I am actually going to do a full video talking about gelatin versus collagen versus all of the different names and subsets and just really break it down. That's going to be its own video and it'll be happening. I'll be posting it probably in the next couple of weeks. But for today, I'm just going to give you a really quick summation of the difference between gelatin versus collagen. So collagen is what holds our bodies together, and so it gets a lot of press for being so good for our hair, our skin, our nails, but what additional things that it's really great for is that it's really high in protein, which is always good for so many of us. So many of us are protein deficient and we have too many carbs. So protein helps us stabilize that blood sugar, and protein is used throughout our body for all of its metabolic functions. And these proteins, these amino acids, are the building blocks of our tendons and our joints. So there's a lot of great information around collagen being anti-aging for skin, hair, and nails, but also really good for our achy joints, our ligaments, our tendons, all of those building blocks. We use the collagen to help us, build all of these different structures in our body. So to me, collagen and gelatin both are very grounding. So collagen is it's the series of amino acids, and the one that it's usually highest in is glycine. Glycine, as a naturopath, I use glycine all the time with my insomniacs, people that are really stressed out, very nervous, having a hard time resting in general, getting calm, soothing, self-soothing, and definitely having a hard time sleeping. So I give people glycine that all the time. It's super safe and just delightful, really has a lot of great health properties. So these gelatins would actually be a really great thing that you could eat throughout the day, but you could also have before bed or, in the evening as a little, sweet treat to satisfy that dessert need or want or whatever, and also help you kind of unwind for the evening and put you into that nice slumber. So gelatin, which is what we're using today, is cooked collagen. So you're also still getting all of these great health benefits, but it is cooked. And so you typically use gelatin to to make gummies, to make jello, to thicken stews and ice creams and different things. So I'm going to keep talking, but let's get started with this really fun recipe, these homemade gummies. And they're going to be double layered, as I'm sure you saw in the photo. So it's going to be a little sequence of videos that I'm shooting. So here we have 4 ounces of pomegranate juice. Pomegranate, high in antioxidants, has always gotten a lot of press, or at least gotten a lot of press in the last 10 years or so. So 4 ounces of that cold. And then I really like Vital Proteins beef gelatin. So I do 2 scoops, and that is 1 serving with 20 grams of protein. Incredible. And so then I would, where's my stirrer? And so then I would stir this up, and it gets all kind of, you just want it to dissolve. Like so. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice and dissolved. Ooh, yeah, it's dissolved. I don't know. You guys get it. It's dissolved. And it's starting to gel already as we speak. And then I'm just gonna add maybe it's about 2 teaspoons of honey. You could use maple syrup, you could use coconut sugar, you could use brown rice syrup, you could use agave, whatever you like. And you don't even have to use sugar. There is natural sugars in this, but if you like it a little sweeter, by all means, add some sugar. And then here I have 4 more ounces of the pomegranate juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of filtered water. And I'm just gonna bring this up to a boil, and then I'm gonna pour it in, and then I'll put it in my silicone. These guys. I love these guys. I love these guys. So this is already at boiling. And so with gelatin, you actually need hot water to complete, like a warm liquid, like a hot liquid, to actually, to really dissolve it, whereas collagen will dissolve immediately in smoothies and, just in water. It doesn't need to be heated up. Gelatin is the only one that's going to gel, right? And then I just pour it into my silicone and I measure that out. And so, I don't know, it's probably about 2 tablespoons each. And it also depends. You could do this in like a cake pan. You could do this and then cut them out. You could, this is 1 serving. So you, in theory, could just eat the whole thing. You could turn it into gelatin. You could drink it warm if that feels good to you. You could add spices. You could add fresh fruit in it. You can, there's so many different things that you can do with this. But remember, when we were kids and we were little and like at the hospitals, especially when you have like a gut issue or you're not feeling well, your throat hurts. We always got gelatin. We always got Jello. But that Jello that you buy in the store or that you get in those little packets, they're often filled with high fructose corn syrup, which we know is terrible for us. It doesn't have all of those beautiful antioxidants of the fresh fruit, of the fresh juices. It's not very good for you. And then when you use that gelatin, like this, I really like because they're getting it from beef and they're getting it from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows, happy cows, healthy cows, right? We don't know where like Jello brand Jello is getting their gelatin, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I really like this company. I use their collagen products also. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, and then I am going to I'll be back, and then we'll talk a little bit more. Okay, see you soon. Hi, I'm back. So look at these gorgeous beauties. Look at how much fun they are. So pretty and sweet and gelatiny funness. One of these sweet peas, look at how big they are, comes in at 104 calories per serving. And it's 6.5 grams of protein per serving. So antioxidants, great for your skin, hair, nails, great for the gut lining, great for your nervous system, full of antioxidants. I think I already said that. And then, the possibilities are endless. You could use any juices, pureed fruits. You could add any spices, nuts, fresh fruit. You could have so much fun with this recipe and make it your own. And then the last thing, of course, you could put in greens powder. You could put in mushroom powder. You could put in also like CBD oil, right? Make your own CBD gummies. They're expensive. So yeah, really great. I'm super happy with them. They're super sweet. They're not overly sweet. So adjust the sugar to your liking. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Yeah, again, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell. Yeah, anything to support the channel really is very appreciated. Comment below on how you like them. Okay, have a great day. We'll see you next time.